my brain is fried in addition to my garden outside. We're under a heat advisory and I've sweated through my dress already. Luckily, you can't tell. But this is what I wore today to take the kids to the library and the post office and to pick up a couple supplies for a Sewing 101 workshop. I'm teaching my mom business group tomorrow. I'll come closer so you can actually see the fabric. This super cute ribbed knit. I honestly just like how this dress makes me feel like a classic 90s mom. The only thing is, wish I had put pockets in there. But I can always add them just in the side seam.
Sadly, the cheap microphone she bought from Amazon died. Can you imagine why? So you get to hear me describe today's handmade item instead. She turned a pair of thrifted denim shorts into a skirt, adding in some extra fabric to make new front leg panels hidden underneath the denim front. She says that every time she wears these it's like wearing a magic trick, and she's pretty proud of this one. The next day, mom life kept her so busy she didn't remember to record until bedtime. The lighting was less than stellar, so please bear with the overhead kitchen light. This romantic top is made using cotton gauze from the nursery fabric section, which makes it soft and breathable for summer.
After this, I'm doing laundry. This is all clean, by the way. This is the last day of the challenge, and this is what I'm wearing. This quilt top circle wrap skirt. I made this last year and actually wore it to my mom's 50th birthday party. It was so fun. I made this too. This was a dress, but I chopped it because I liked it better as a top. Now I'm going to do some laundry. Thank you so much for watching this challenge. I hope that this was inspiring, entertaining, interesting to you. I had so much fun. It was really helpful to narrow down what I like in my closet, what I want to make more of, what I want less of. Yeah, and I highly recommend doing a similar challenge yourself.